Turkish firefighters are struggling to contain a raging forest fire on the Syrian border. The blaze began inside Syria and quickly spread, destroying hundreds of acres of forest through which many hundreds of refugees are trying to flee fighting in the area. Several major fires have recently broken out inside Syria and spread towards Turkey unchecked, with authorities in Syria allegedly more concerned with tackling fires caused by the country's civil war. Over 200 emergency workers have been attempting to tackle the blaze, which has seen several villages evacuated.